Step one. What step one is about is getting the wall profile into position nice and level. So what I do want to just quickly highlight is I used to take the pencil here to describe what I'm talking about. This bath is relatively flat. All baths will have a gradient or a fall to make sure the water drips into the bath, falls into the bath. So this one's a relatively flat one, slight incline, whereas on some of them you get quite a steep angle. So where you've got a steep angle, to make sure that you get an optimum seal condition and that you can open the door, you need to be going for the outer edge as a landing place for the wall profile, and obviously your glass to sit. So once you've decided where it's going to go, so this one about 20 mil in. I know it's an accommodating bath for these types of bath screens. So just get that roughly in position. Get the spirit level on it. There you go. So I've got the locations there. What I'll do, I'll just speed up the video while I'm drilling these out. There you go, just slow it down there. There you go, so I covered up that plug hole. Always recommended to cover up the plug hole before you start doing these installations. Stop any screws going down. So I'm just going to fix this into position while I'm fixing it in. What I'll do is I'll leave the last couple of turns just to get the spirit level back on, to make sure I'm happy with the location. I'll finally fix it in. So just speed it up now. There you go, slow it down there. So, as I said, as they're on slots, you can just make a final little adjustment to make sure it's perfectly level before you fix them in. So that's step one completed.